Hello YouTube, today I'm going to quickly show you two ways to easily convert numbers to percentages. You can see here I have these columns. This one I have numbers. I would like those to be percentages instead of just numbers. So the first way I can do it is I can left click here on top of this column. Then I can come over here to the number set. I'm on my home tab. You can come over here to the number set and I can click this percentage button. There we go. I can easily add values after I can add decimal points or remove decimal points with those buttons. So that's way number one. Way number two is instead of left clicking, I can right click here and that brings up this menu and I can click the percentage here as well. This also gives me buttons to add or remove zeros. It is important that you have decimal values here. If you have whole numbers like this, when you turn it to a percentage, you're going to end up with gigantic percentages. That's arithmetic and outside the purview of this video, but I'll link to a video where I talk more about that in the description. Hopefully that helps.